Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to send an audio message on WhatsApp, which self-destructs after opening. This means that the message is for single viewing, so when the person clicks on your audio and listens to your entire audio, they will not be able to listen to the audio again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is very important to me and will motivate me to bring more videos like this for you. Let's go with the tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is open WhatsApp. I'm going to send myself a message just to show you how this process goes. Pay close attention to what I'm going to do here. I entered my own conversation, and now I'm going to send an audio. And we're going to leave the audio button held on the screen. During audio recording, grab this audio button and drag it up to where there is a padlock. And after that, an icon will appear at the bottom with the number 1. That's the icon you will click on to send the single view audio. And after you select this icon with the number 1 comma, just send the audio and everything is done. We can see that we have successfully sent a single view audio message. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.